All right, good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. This morning we are doing the exploding snowman experiment. I've never done it before, so it'll be a fun learning experience for all of us. We will need a sandwich bag. We will need permanent markers or any marker. I don't have orange, so I'm improvising with the brown nose. How I spend most of my life anyways. We will need baking soda. We will also need some vinegar and a paper towel or tissue paper. All right. We'll see a thumbs up when Donnie gets here. Thank you so much, Adonis, for coming over. Good job, bud. Hi, Noah, I see you. Okay, so first we're gonna have our sandwich bag and we are going to decorate it with a permanent marker. So on the instructions too, I'm just gonna make a little smiley face with some dots and make a little nose. All right, let's give it a try. And if your kiddo doesn't want to use permanent markers, whatever you guys have at home is totally fine as well. Just so you have the concept of making a face. All right. Oh, it kind of looks orange. Oh, maybe it's because it's on an orange cutting board. Silly me. All right. Made a nose. And then we're gonna make a smile. I hope this works out. I put towels all over my floor because I was not sure if it was gonna be messy. So it is a heads up messy kind of activity, but it makes it fun.
Okay, good. I know we're in the sink, so we'll see.
Yeah. So I have our little smiley face. I don't know if it's hard to see with that. Awesome, great job. Okay, so we are going to wrap 3 teaspoons of baking soda into a piece of a paper towel. So I'm gonna guess, with the sandwich bag, just probably like, I don't know, 3 teaspoons would probably fit in that once you crumble it up. All right. Yeah, see, I think you probably have the right idea with the sink, but at least then I have to mop the floor, so it makes one thing easier for me. Take a chore off my list.
That's true.
My parents won't be mad. Okay, so then we're gonna wrap that. I just have it in my paper towel here. And we're gonna place the soda packet inside of the bag. I'm gonna kind of twist it up. I'm not sure, maybe give me a little less reaction time here. Cool. Okay, so I just kind of did mine like that. And if you guys do something different and it works better, then hey, we modify it, we move forward. So this says 1 to 2 cups. I'll probably pour 2 cups and then just see at like 1, 1.5, and then maybe I'll meet in the middle there. Great job, Adonis. Thanks for hanging out, man. Is that free cellular data, or do you get charged for that phone, or add a line for free?
I think we were on the iPad.
What? Did it do it? Oh my God. Okay, let's see. I'm going to try mine.
I just did one cup of
You did the 1 cup?
Uh-huh. Look at Pop, baby.
Oh my God.
It's in the fridge. See that, Papa?
I think I need more. Oh my gosh.
Did you see it? Look. Your snowman exploded.
Okay, ready? It's gonna explode.
Oh.
How fun is that? Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
See, my bag broke.
Your bag broke?
bag broke. Yeah.
Wait, can I take a screenshot really quick of you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So we'll have to try it again.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you guys. That was actually so much fun. I did not like that's like a reaction time of like, okay, I need to step back really quick.
I know, yeah. That's what I was thinking. I just closed it and I threw it in the sink. I don't know how fast it was gonna.
Well, thank you guys so much for joining.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it,
Grandma.
Adonis and Noah. And
Yeah.
don't forget, there is story time today at 12:30.
Yes.
And we also have another cooking activity tomorrow at 11. And then calendar
Yes.
story as well. Okay?
All right. Thank
you guys so much. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, you too.